I could hold you close. God gave me claws so I could rip out your throat. God gave me teeth to tear the flesh from your bones, and with each piece I feel a little less alone. Give me peace as winter seeps, and each and every crease begins to crack. Neither man nor beast, but I can hardly perceive what I believe. Oh, I am an animal, I am free. I am what I am me. And God gave me ears so I could hear your tones. God gave me strength to fight for our own. God gave us souls so that we could be known and live each year a little less alone.